Right, so here we go. We've got the new Avios Albatross ready to go. We're going to do the maiden flight off grass, and then we're going to do a bit of water flying. So, what was the pack? It was a 4S 4000, wasn't it, Al? That we put in here, and we had to put it as far back as possible on the Velcro strap. So actually, I reckon if you've got a 4S 5000 pack, that might be even better to get the CG and to secure the LiPo nicely. But let's see how it goes.
Ooh, bit of prop cavitation. A lot of prop cavitation. Yeah. Can you come and stand in front of me? He thinks you need to go off water.
Yes.
You want to push, Dom?
It wouldn't go by itself.
Okay.
That's interesting.
I hope if he hits me, I get half the royalties off his video, or maybe all of them, depending on what sort of injury I get. I'm not convinced he's going to be able to steer this very well. But hey, he's an accomplished pilot. What could go wrong?
Tail up, not nose up. Right, okay, up here. Hang on, stop. We're going backwards.
I know what we're missing. Some water.
Oh, there we go.
Did you see that?
Well, did you take the brakes off?
I've had it reversed.
Reversed.
Ah, that'll be the funny noise.
Oh, I'm all right now, John.
Reverse props. That's
I've forgotten about that feature.
that's helpful, Dom, if you land on water, presumably.
Yes.
You can, yeah.
But not on land.
You were just testing, make sure it worked. That's a pig. Oh, that was a bit easier. Looks great in the air.
Huh?
It looks great in the air. Just keep it there. That goes nice and slow. A controlled landing, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there any other type? Oh yes.
Touch and go. Get you on a maiden. You didn't mean to do that, did you?
Float. It floats.
Well, it took off so easily, didn't it? It's certainly not underpowered. It wants to float as well if it's going to water. Look at that. Brilliant. Well, doesn't it go well when the prop's going in the right direction? No throttle kill. Perfect.
There we go, that was alright. I can't believe I did that at the start. So there was me thinking that it wouldn't take off from grass, and it's because I had the ESCs reversed. I'd totally forgotten about that, and I had that on my gear switch. So you won't make that mistake. I'm the only one stupid enough to make that mistake. So it flew really well off grass. It got off the grass really easily with the power that it's got. Cruised around on half power. You could probably fly for another 10 minutes on that pack. Certainly doesn't need full power. It might need full power off water just because of the drag, but after it's in the air, then you can just throttle back. So yeah, a real winner. So thanks for watching this one. We'll do it off water very soon. Brilliant.
Yeah, thanks Al.
Thanks Al. Al, thanks for all the advice. Thanks for filming. You didn't get much wrong this time. Thanks.
Oh, that was a bit easier. Look at that.